To a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log in to the Qatar Islamic Bank. Now to do that, firstly make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then open up a web browser. Once the web browser opens up, on the search bar type in Qatar Islamic Bank and then hit the search button. Once you hit the search button, you will be redirected to another page. Now on this page, simply click on this first link. After you click on this first link, you will be redirected to the home page of Qatar Islamic Bank. Now on this home page, on the top right corner, you'll see this online banking option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, another menu will appear on your screen. Now on this menu, simply click on this personal option. After you click on the personal option, you will be redirected to another page. Now on this page, on this login form, simply fill in your username here, your password here, and then click on this login button. Once you click on this login button and if your credentials are correct, you will be logged in to your account. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.